Viewers, how are you? I welcome you all to this combined science lecture. Where I am going to teach you about what we call a carburetor. Thank you for engaging this video. You can add this video to your favorites on TikTok. You can also share it on Facebook, please. You can like the video, you can share it, and on YouTube you can like the video and comment also. Thank you very much. For those who support the intellect, you are welcome. Thank you for your support and your concern. So on our lesson today, we want to teach each other what is a carburetor, its functions and its evaluations and whatsoever. So the carburetor, as you can see here, I'm presenting the carburetor in form of a diagram. As the video is gonna proceed, you shall see the presentation of a carburetor on real scenes, or I've got pictures where the carburetor is being reviewed as it is. So for example, a carburetor, have got an air filter. As you can see, that's an air filter. You've got a choke, we've got a throttle, we've got a petrol filter. Above all, we've got what we call a jet and a throttle. A throttle is also known as an accelerator. So as you can see in this video, what is the importance of us talking about this carburetor? Why are we in need of knowing this carburetor? The reason is you need to know its functions, so that when you are on your exam, you need to answer certain questions which can ask you about the functions of an air filter and whatsoever. So the carburetor has got what we call an air filter. What is the function of an air filter? The function of an air filter on the carburetor is to remove dirt. That is, when the car is moving, it takes in oxygen, and the function of the carburetor is to mix oxygen with petrol and inject this into the combustion chamber, so that the car will move, you will have clear petrol air. So the function of an air filter is to clean the air, so that it avoid blockade of the jets. Above all, what is the function of the choke? The function of the choke is to control air supply into the carburetor. Are we together? Then the function of the jet is to supply petrol. Are we together? Then after that, we need to know that the petrol filter, the function of the petrol filter is to filter petrol. For instance, you might go on a petrol station, and maybe the petrol is contaminated with impurities. So the function of the petrol filter is to remove those impurities, such that the jets can supply petrol which is clear, and it avoids the blockades of the jets. So as the petrol is supplied with the jet, are we together? The throttle now, the function of the throttle is to allow the mixture of petrol and the mix of petrol and mixture to be supplied in correct proportions to the engine. For example, the accelerator, the more you tap the accelerator pedal when you are driving the car, is the more the carburetor will start to request for petrol and for air, petrol air mix, I mean. So it means that the amount of petrol air mixer which can be injected in the engine is controlled by the throttle. Are we together? So that's it. So for those who have questions, you can ask. And above all, you need to know that you need to have the ability to label these diagrams and to be able to answer any question, be it paper 1, be it paper 2. When we are dealing with the carburetors, please don't fail this. Don't fail this. Are we together? So you can like, you can comment, you can share this video about carburetors. Above all, you can like my Facebook page, Phineas Nudza, and my Instagram, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel, The Intellect. Thank you.